This is the first time I've ever given Sadie Cheerios, and she's got them all trapped. They're sticking to the inside of her hands. Let's show them. There's one. There's a couple in there, and she can't seem to make it in her mouth. Oh, see? Are they good? Hasn't even tried one yet. She's been working on it for quite some time. Oop. Try it. Put it in your mouth. Give it a whirl. They're really yummy. Here. Oh. Isn't that a little bit of heaven? Isn't that good? Now you want more, huh? Yeah. You alright? Okay, I'll help you out here. Alright. Good job.